Hello dear aspirants, welcome to Dr. Soros's classes. Today I am solving CMI BSc Data Science entrance examination, that means BSc at Chennai Mathematical Institute entrance examination recent past paper solution. Okay, so if you want to take classes from our side or want to take doubt clearing session, previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of them, please don't hesitate. Please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sources himself reply to your query in WhatsApp. So already all you all know that Dr. Sources classes is the best coaching institution for preparing CMI entrance examination. So don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Sources classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Saurav sir. So let's start with question number 6. Here the instruction: two mighty frogs jumps once per unit of time on the number line as described below. Okay, so questions, there are two questions. The first frog is at x equals to the power I at time t equals to I. So how many numbers of the form 7n plus 1, which is in an integer, and does the frog visit from t equals to 0 to t equals to 99, both endpoints included. So how can I solve this question? So let's start. So let's list the first few position to identify any pattern. So here t equals to 0, that means x equals to the power I, and that means to the power 0, that means the value is 1. T equals to 1, that means x equals to 2 to the power 1, so value is 2. T equals to 2, the value is x equals to 2 square, that means 4. Continuing this matter, t equals to 8, that means x to the power equals to the power 8, that means 256, and t equals to 9, that means x equals to the power 9, the result is 512. Okay, so the positions are powers of 2, the positions are also power of 2. So we need to find of these positions up to t equals to 99 are the form of 7n plus 1. T equals to 99 are the form of 7n plus 1. So let's check if 2 to the power I congruent 1 mod 7. So first check, to the power 0 equals to 1 mod 7, to the power 1, that means 2 mod 7, and to the power 2, that means 4 mod 7, cube, that congruent 8 mod 7, to the power 4 congruent 16 mod 7, to the power 5 congruent 32 mod 7, to the power 6 congruent 64 mod 7, to the power 7 congruent 128 mod 7. Okay, so this sequence repeats every 3 steps. 8, that means here we don't need to check, so cancelling this will be extra step. So repeating manner, we check the repeating manner, that means to the power 4, that means 8, that means congruent to 1 mod 7, to the power 4 equal 16, that means 16 means 2 mod 7. 17 means, sorry, 2 to the power 5, 32, that means 4 mod 7, 2 to the power 6. So what will be the value? We can find the remainder only. So how can the result is 2? 16 can be divided by 7, that means the remainder is 2. Okay, 32 can be divided by 7, so the remainder is 4. Okay, so in this manner the result will become 2 to the 6, that means 64, that means 69, then 63, so 1 mod 7. Okay, so the sequence repeats every 3 steps of positions 1 modulo 7 of position 1 mod 7 at 2 to the power 0, 3, 6 and 9 and so on. So we need to check up to t equals to 99. So t equals to 0, that means 2 to the power, sorry, that means 2 to the power 0 congruent 1 mod 7, t equals to 1, that is equals to 2 to the power 1, that means 2 to the power 1 congruent 2 mod 7, and t equals to 2, t equals to 3, sorry, here the result is 3, that means 2 to the power 3, that is also 1 mod 7, and the next step is 6, that means 2 to the power 6, that means 64, 63, that 2 to the power 6 congruent 1 mod 7, and t equals to 9, that means also 2 to the power 9, that means also congruent 1 mod 7. Okay, so the position t equals to 3k, where k is an integer, up to t equals to 99, up to, sorry, t equals to 99. So k can takes values 0 to 33, since 99 by 3 equals to 33. Since, so there are 34 positions are there, 34 positions are there. In question number 6, the correct answer is 34 positions. Okay, and let's move on. Question number 7. The second frog starts at x equals to 0 and jumps I plus 1 steps to the right just after t equals to I, so that at times t equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 this frog is at position x equals to 0, 1, 3, 6 respectively. So how many numbers of the form 7n plus 1 with an n integer does the frog visit from t equals to 0 to t equals to 99, both the endpoints included? So how can I solve this? So we need to find which of these positions from t equals to 0 to t equals to 99 are the form 7n plus 1. So let's find few positions to identify the pattern. So in question number 7, let's find some position. So t equals to 0 when x equals to 0, t equals to 1 when x equals to 1, t equals to 2 when x equals to 3, and t equals to 5 when x equals to 6, t equals to 2, t equals x equals to 3, and t equals to 3, t equals to 3, x equals to 6, t equals to 4, x equals to 10, t equals to 5, x equals to 15, t equals to 6, x equals to 21, t equals to 7, x equals to 28, and t equals to 8, x equals to 36, and t equals to 9, where x equals to 45. So the frog visit from the position in the triangular numbers, so x equals to I plus 1 into I plus 2 divided by 2 minus 1. So we need to check x, we need to check x congruent 1 mod 7. So what will be the value? X congruent 0 mod 7, x congruent 1 mod 7, x congruent 3 mod 7, congruent 4 mod 7, congruent 5 mod 7, 0 1 3, and x congruent 6 mod 7, and next line x congruent 10, that is equals 3 mod 7, x congruent 15, that means 1 mod 7, and x congruent 21, that is equals to 0 mod 7, x congruent 28, that is also 0 mod 7 because that will be totally divisible by 7, x congruent 36, that is congruent to 1 mod 7, and x congruent to 45, that is congruent to 3 mod 7. So we see that x congruent to 1 mod 7 at position x congruent to 1 mod 7 at position 1 15 36, 1 15 36, we need to find such position up to t equals to 99, Thus the frog visits the number form 7n plus 1 at times corresponding triangular number. So at t equals to 1 5 8 12 17 23 30 38 47 57 68, 80, 93. So there are total 13 positions are there. So there are 13 positions. So what will be the correct answer of question number 7? 13. The correct answer is 13 position. So this is the correct answer here. So to know more such methods, share this video to your friends and your family and stay connected with us. And to get notification of all our video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. That's all for today. We'll meet you next session soon. Thank you.